Hey, Melissa and Hunter here in the kitchen. We are going to make Super Bowl soft bread with a glaze. Yeah, stay tuned. You're going to love it. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Morgan's Off the Leash. I'm Melissa. I'm with Piper, Rue, and Archie, the 3 golden retrievers. We're going to bring you along. We're going to walk out the trail. We've got snow and it's cold, so it makes for a good day. Some good smells on the holly tree, huh? I'm walking the trail where the tires for Mike's trip out here, and they're icy, so I'm kind of trying to put one foot in the middle just for some traction. I almost fell a couple times. Okay, let's get busy in the kitchen making Super Bowl soft bread. Okay, this is 1 cup of milk with the active yeast. This is the milk I used. The active yeast was activated in the milk. Okay, this is Red Star Active Dry Yeast I've used, and that's 2 1/4 teaspoons. Also, you want sweet and condensed milk, 1/2 cup. I love sweet and condensed milk. Save the extras for the glaze. And 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and mix it well. Okay, next we would need 3 1/4 cup of flour and a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so mix well, and you'll see it all start to form as dough. And I had to put the camera down eventually to get some mixing done. And on top of that dough, you'll add 4 tablespoons of soft butter. I forgot to get video of this step, but you're mixing the butter with the dough. Now you're transferring the dough to a lightly floured counter. Okay, you want to really knead the dough, work it over. It should be smooth and have elastic, but not tearing. Now you place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, covering the dough with a towel, placing it in a warm spot. Okay, this step took longer than an hour for me. It took a couple hours for it to double in size and rise. Okay, now uncover the bread, punch out the air with your fist, lay it out flat. You'll divide it into 2 sections. And the rolling pin my grandpa made. So you're gonna wanna get busy and use the rolling pin to roll it out flat. And then at this point, preheat your oven to 350. Set your rolling pin aside and roll up the dough tightly, making sure the edges are matched up. Okay, take both rolled up bread dough, cut into 7 sections. Place them in bread pans 7 by 4, lightly sprayed. Cover them and place in a warm spot for 45 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna brush the egg wash on. That's 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk mixed well. And I'm just brushing it on each loaf here. Now place both bread pans in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, while bread is baking in the oven, we are going to make the glaze. You need 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of the sweet and condensed milk, and mix it well. Okay, at 20 minutes, you want to check the oven. Looking good. All right, you can pull the bread out, let it cool for a few minutes. Okay, this is the glaze, which is the butter and 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of the sweetened condensed milk. Taste testing this in just a minute. Okay, I tried desperately to make this look like a professional commercial of pulling apart the sections of the bread. This is what you get. The Super Bowl soft bread, look, slice it with a fork. Yep, Super Bowl soft bread. All right, we're here with daughter Eva.
Yeah.
She just tried the Super Bowl soft bread.
It was really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was impressed.
You were surprised. It's only taken me all day to master this.
The
So.
past 7.5 hours.
I know. We're gonna work on that part.
Yeah, gonna have another piece.
So how would you rate overall?
10 out of 10.
Thank you, daughter Eva, thank you. Now we're gonna go with daughter-in-law Kate. All right, here with daughter-in-law Kate with the testimonial. What do you think of the bread?
It is so good.
Yeah?
I am surprised.
I am surprised. That's okay, I am surprised too. Yeah, good.
It is so good. I finished.
Great.
I'm thinking to get another piece. Or I might take some home.
Kate, tell everybody your channel.
Tied Up with the Morgans.
Tied Up with the Morgans and mostly have Thai.
Yeah?
Baby Thai and cooking and Levi.
You're very good at cooking. Okay, son Levi, we don't really call him son Levi, we just call him Levi. Testimonial.
Really good. Yeah, I liked it.
Plate is empty.
Yeah, I mean, it just takes half a day to make. So.
It
No,
did take
it's
me a
really
while.
good though.
As we have the Super
Yeah.
Bowl playing in the background. Okay, there you have it. The Super Bowl soft bread, and everyone seemed to like it. Great testimonials, thanks. What do you have? What do you have? Oh, are you gonna start crocheting? Do you know how to crochet? That's not yours, Arch. Wow. Archie's having fun. Ty's having fun. How about Aunt Hannah? Yep, she's having fun. Wow.
Are you making a video or a picture?
A video.
Hi.
Oh, Piper wants in. Okay, Melissa here. I just got done scraping both the driveway and the sidewalk area. This is a long-handled ice scraper. It works great, just like scraping the ice off your window shield of your car. It works great just scraping the ice off the sidewalk. We have the next week is forecasted to be cold, so if there's any snow or ice coming with that, we want to make sure that we can start bare bone fresh, because there's not going to be a lot of sunlight or warm temperatures to melt things off. But when I was doing this, I was thinking this is very similar to when I'm scraping my burnt cookies off my cookie tray. Hey, thanks for hanging in there. Please click the like and subscribe if I can ask that of you, and comment down below. I love to hear from you. Thanks.